Do you want to start a super profitable digital coaching business in the next 90 days? Thank you for actually coming to this page. My name is Siddharth Rajshekhar, and I've been in the digital coaching industry since 2018 and currently have over 11,000 paid members inside my community from all different walks of life who've been able to start their business without even having any experience in this before. So what I would like to do is when you click on the link on this side, when you register for my next live masterclass, I'm actually going to share with you 3 important things. Number 1 is how do you really create a business model and a business plan in the knowledge business space. Now you may be an entrepreneur and you may be having your own way of running a business, but I've been able to build my business without any office, without any employees, just working with freelancers with very few overheads in my business. So the first thing I'll talk about, how do you plan your business? Second part is I'll talk about how you can monetize your expertise. So you may be an entrepreneur right now, you may have some expertise in some area, but you may not know exactly how to monetize that. So I will teach you that also when you register for my masterclass. And the third part is I'll talk about lead generation and monetization, and how do you convert leads and leads into sales on automation. For me, like 24/7, I have people watching these videos, they watch my other videos, they go and buy my products, and there is a system that I've created, and I'm going to open up and show you all my systems so that you as an entrepreneur can actually get all those ideas to be able to build a fully automated, profitable business without any office employees. So you may be running a current business right now, keep it going, but this is going to be a beautiful way that you can start a new vertical within your own business that can be knowledge-based and can really, fulfill your goals, whether it be making extra money, extra cash flow, supporting your family, and really making yourself pandemic proof and ready for the future world. With all the traditional businesses going down, the best business model to be in right now is the digital based business model. And if you can perfect this, okay, and I'm pretty sure you will when you attend my live webinar, you are going to be on the cutting edge of the digital revolution as an entrepreneur. Okay, so thank you so much. What I would like you to do is click on that link. You can read some of the details below about me. If you don't know more about me, you can read that, and you can register. And when you go to the next page, I'm going to give you some resources. Okay, you have to download a PDF. The workbook is going to be given to you, and all my webinars are free. Okay, all are free webinars. I don't charge anything for webinars, but it'll be 90 minutes of value-packed information. So I would like you to give your full attention, be there for the webinar, and then I look forward to serving you and supporting you even beyond that webinar. Okay, I have some cool resources to give you. So click on the link, register, go to the next page, and I'll meet you live in the next session. Bye-bye.